Welcome back. Today we're practicing a cafe role-playing game with the AI. Open a new, empty conversation. The AI doesn't know anything about you yet. Important. Always start a new conversation for each role play. The AI has no context. You have to clearly explain the role to it. Why role play? Your brain remembers, "I'd like some coffee," much better than individual words. You practice in a real context. Nervous? This is completely normal. The AI is patient. You can pause or ask for help at any time.
I'm nervous.
That's okay. I'll help you step by step.
I definitely make mistakes.
Mistakes are great. That's the best way to learn.
Can you speak slower? Help me, please. What can I say?
Just say, "Hello," or "I would like to order." I'll guide you.
Your turn. I am a beginner. Please be patient.
Part 1. Start the role play. This is how you tell the AI what role to play in a new conversation.
Be a barista. You are the barista. I am the customer. Let's practice a cafe scenario. Correct my mistakes. We are in a cafe.
Your turn. Be a barista and correct my mistakes.
Part 2. Greeting and ordering. The first words in the cafe.
Good day. Hello. I would like to order. Can I order? I would like to have.
Your turn. Hello. I would like to order.
Part 3. Coffee vocabulary. The most important drinks and food.
A coffee. A cappuccino. An espresso. A tea. A croissant. A piece of cake. A bun. A glass of water.
Your turn. A coffee. Your turn. A croissant.
Part 4. Complete orders. Put it all together.
I would like some coffee. I would like a cappuccino, please. Can I have some tea? An espresso, please. I would like a coffee and a croissant.
Your turn. A cappuccino and a piece of cake, please.
Part 5. Options and extras. This is how you ask about special requests.
With milk. Without milk. With sugar. Without sugar. With oat milk. With soy milk. Take away. For here. A coffee with milk, please.
Your turn. A cappuccino with oat milk to take away.
Part 6. Ask the price. So you ask how much something costs.
What does this cost? How much does a coffee cost? How much does a cappuccino cost? How expensive is it? Quanto costa? What does that add up to?
Your turn. How much does it cost together?
Part 7. Understanding numbers, the most important prizes.
€1, €2, €3.50, €4.20, €5, €6.90. That's €7.
Your turn. €8.50, please.
Part 8. Responding to demands. The barista often asks questions.
Yes, please. No thanks. That's all. Nothing more. Big, please. Small, please. Medium, please. With card, please. Bar, please.
Your turn. Large, with oat milk, to take away.
Part 9. Be polite. Important polite expressions.
Please. Thanks. Thank you. Goodbye. Bye. Have a nice day.
Your turn. Thank you, goodbye.
Part 10. Full conversations. Practice complete cafe dialogues. Here is a typical conversation. Listen carefully and repeat.
Hello, I would like some coffee. With milk or without? With milk, please. To take away or here? For here, please. Is there anything else? No thanks, that's all. That's €3.50. Here you go. Thank you.
Part 11. AI prompts. Complete sentences to start the role play.
Be a friendly barista in a coffee shop. I am a beginner. Correct my mistakes politely. Ask me about my order. Ask questions like a real barista.
Your turn. Be a barista, I'll order a coffee. Correct me.
Quick recap. Say it out loud before you hear the answer.
Your turn. I would like some coffee. Your turn. With milk, please. Your turn. Take away. Your turn. What does this cost? Your turn. That's all. Your turn. With card, please. Your turn. Thank you, goodbye.
Try it now. Open a new empty conversation and copy this prompt. The AI then responds like this. Hello! Welcome to our cafe, what it may be. Would you like a coffee or tea? Tip. If the AI is too fast, just say, slow down please, I am a beginner. Excellent. You can now order a coffee. In the next lesson, we will practice an interview. This will be exciting.